Okay, this is a private buyer's agent preview of Shores of Panama 312. Just the location in this building, it's pretty darn sweet. We do have master on the Gulf side. Here's the view from the window here.
How it's decorated.
So as you come in the front door, there's this bedroom. It's a very small bedroom, outfitted with bunks, but it does have a closet and it does have a window for extra egress. So they can call this a bedroom, but it's a bunk room with a door, access to the bathroom here that has the stackable laundry in it. And let's go out to the balcony here. The pool is being renovated right now. It's the off season, winter time. But being on the third floor, and you got a really good sized balcony here. So there you have the view of your whole balcony here. There's your view. Here's your living room. And let's go into the main room, main bedroom. Again, your window facing the Gulf and the pool. And then your bathroom that's attached here around the corner. Got your closet here. Vanity. And then your tub. Shower tub combo. All right. See you on the next one.